Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with 3 quick checks. Confirm the Google account and password you plan to replace, open Chrome, and click the circular profile icon in the top right. Once done, look at sync status so you don't lose bookmarks or passwords. Make sure you understand whether data is tied to the current profile. Now, choose the Profile menu. This first click begins the account change flow and lets you add, switch, or manage profiles without delay. Next, add or switch accounts. Click Manage People or Add a Profile, then select Add to create a separate Chrome profile. This preserves old data. Sign in with the new Google account and accept sync if you want bookmarks, history, and passwords moved over. Make sure to name the profile and pick an avatar so you can visually switch later. If you want to keep data distinct, don't enable sync for both profiles. Choose what to sync to avoid duplicates and confusion. To finish, open the new profile and enable sync so Chrome uses the new Google account as your default browsing identity. Check bookmarks, passwords, and extensions to confirm everything transferred. Make sure Chrome is updated and restart the browser to solidify changes. If something goes wrong, like missing accounts or persistent old data, update Chrome, clear cookies for accounts. Google, calm or remove and re-add the profile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.